Let's see how to create a checklist in Microsoft Word. Now, first, we want to start up Microsoft Word, and then we need to enable developer options. Now, usually, developer options are not enabled by default in Microsoft Word. And to do that, click on the File tab, go over to the Options section, and click on Customize ribbon. You should be able to see as you scroll down here that the box for developer is unchecked. So let's go ahead and check that and click OK. And you will see here, we now have the developer tab open. Let's click on that and you will see this icon here with a check mark. Let's just click on that. And as you can see, we now have a checkbox that is interactive that we can check and uncheck. And that is how you create a checkbox in Microsoft Word. See you soon.